It is May 6th. Location, Arvada, Colorado. Weather, cold and snowy. Hello, my babies. I did not plan on filming this at all, but that's how I like to roll, you know, like impromptu, off the cuff. Also, we just hit a minor snowstorm, so we don't really have much else to do. I figured I could film. It's been on my mind, but you know, I just was waiting for the very right moment of now. Yeah, so we are in Arvada, Colorado. I was gonna try to keep it going, but no, I'll just stop there. There's a lot of snow. This is crazy. It is May 6th. Sorry, I look kind of a hot mess, but it just is what it is. I've been living out of my car for a few days now. We're back in that car camper lifestyle. We got here on Friday. It is Tuesday. Got here Friday, had an interview, got the job, started looking for housing, and yeah, I've just been having a hard time. For those of you who don't know, I'm a travel nurse, and so I was in North Carolina before this, and yeah, I decided on Colorado. I got here, and literally in my job interview, they were like the weather came up, and they're like, yeah, this is the warmest winter we have had in years, and I guess we just brought the snow. These Texas girls who don't want anything to do with snow brought the snow. I'm not kidding. I thought May would be safe. I was thinking about getting a hotel, but honestly, I don't know. This is kind of cozy, and I mean, I still may. We'll see how crazy it gets, but I mean, we're nice and warm and cozy. I did go to Target and get an extra blanket because whenever I packed up, like loaded my car up for this contract, for this assignment, you know, I always try to adjust what I have, and so I left all my winter stuff. I just brought like a couple small jackets and a couple little sweaters for tits. So I did stop at Target, and I had to get a nice big cozy blanket for us. But yeah, man, it is really coming down out there. I already went and got like my groceries for the night. I got some yummy snacks. I downloaded some movies. And yeah, I'm parked outside of a Panera right now. And I was gonna go in and get like a warm, cozy beverage, but I'm probably gonna wait for it to slack off a little bit because I just came in from Sprouts. And yeah, I'm nice and dry and warm now, so I don't wanna jump right back out. But yeah, so I guess we'll just like spend the evening car camping. I'm gonna probably title it Stranded in a Snowstorm Car Camping Edition. Oh, the drama, the drama. But no, I just honestly thought it would be kind of cool. Just one of those things to check off the bucket list. Like, yeah, I've camped in my car in a snowstorm before, so yeah. Cross that one right off the list. Toots is nice and cozy. I just tried to walk her. She hated it. You know, I mean, it was cold and wet, bless her heart. But she did take a tinkle. Now she's having her favorite little treatsy. Yes, you are, you kitty. I feel like this came so out of nowhere that everyone is freaking out. And it's like, you know, when you can just feel the panic of like everyone like in the grocery store and in traffic, people get into that survival mode. And yeah, so I can't even think straight right now. I need to take a few minutes, collect myself, and then I'll check back in with you guys. of plans. We are getting out of this parking lot because we were not planning to stay here. We just came for the Sprouts and the Panera, and yeah, I don't know how bad this is gonna get, so I want to get out while I can. Even though I do have all-wheel drive, still I don't want to be driving. You know, I'm a Texas girl. I've only driven in snow a couple of times, and this is looking a little hairy. So pretty though. We're gonna head to this McDonald's slash grocery store area that has plenty of parking where I won't get the knock, because this McDonald's is 24 hours. Okay, we made it to the McDonald's slash grocery store parking lot. Honestly, it's the best place to be because there's a sidewalk where I can walk to it, a gorgeous snow-covered tree, Wi-Fi, and a grocery store just in case, you know, it gets really bad and we can't go anywhere. We have everything we need within walking distance. So, all right, we're set up for the night, kid. Do you guys want to see my makeshift iPad stand? Just prop it right there. And then I just slide down a little bit so I can get the full page. Oh my gosh. I meant to order a iPad holder stand whenever I was home and had an address, and now I don't, and I guess I could go to Walmart or Target and find one, but honestly this is working for me. I'm just watching Beverly Hills Housewives. I couldn't really think of anything else to put on. I'm still kind of in frazzle mode. I got myself a nice ginger tea with honey, so I'm gonna suck on that. And yeah, I think it kind of slacked off snowing for the moment. Oh, never mind. So pretty. Oh man. Mom life. Well, things have slowed down a bit with the snow, and so I thought it would be fun for us to go for a walk and just like relish in this snow. I mean, it's gorgeous. It's not snowing like crazy anymore. Hey, what are you looking at? And I have this stroller with me, so I figured, yeah, it would be fun. Plus, I need to get my 10,000 steps in for the day. No slacking. We're at Majestic View Park right now. So freaking gorgeous. Whenever the sky is clear, there's an insane view of the mountains, which you cannot see now, but still gorgeous. I'm really glad it slacked off because I know me and Toots were both gonna be pretty restless if we had to just be in the car the rest of the evening. And I did already walk her a little bit, but her arthritis is bothering her, obviously, because of the weather, cold and wet. So this is perfect for her, and she's all bundled up. She's got her mesh cover. Yes, it's nice, isn't it, Mom? Yes. This stroller, oh my gosh, I had a dog stroller before I started travel nursing and I got rid of it. And no, that is something I have to make a priority whenever I'm traveling, like just for scenarios like this. Or I used it a couple days ago when we were in Boulder and I wanted to go on like a pretty long walk. And yeah, I just brought the stroller and she can chill and I get in a great arm workout on top of my leg workout. So win-win. I am so glad that I brought at least a little winter gear with me. I don't have my beanies or my gloves But yeah, whatever. This is fine. I have like 2 jackets on, a hoodie, and then this jacket, and I'm quite comfortable. My fingers are numb. Feet are freezing because the wet has now sopped through my socks. But you know what? I'll survive. Anybody else love that sound? I dropped Toots off at the car, wrapped her up. She's nice and warm. I think she'd had enough of the snowy fun, but not me. It's just too pretty and nobody's here. It's one of those situations you have to take advantage of. It's a rarity. Even though it's probably gonna be the same tomorrow because I think the real snow is supposed to come in tonight, so it's gonna be quite snowy and wet tomorrow too. But that's okay. Whenever I took Toots back, I pulled out my boots, so I'll have them ready. And I pulled out some nice dry socks because my feet are soaked. These tennis shoes are soaked. Losing sensation in my toes one by one, but I wonder what all the wildlife critters think of this. I just saw some tracks. I think they were deer, although they do have signs up for coyotes, so I am definitely being mindful. And I have my music playing, and I'm probably about to head back because I have, yeah, there we go, there's some tracks. Oh, actually that might be rabbits. I don't know. Saw some rabbits. But yeah, I think I'm about to head back because I have nearly busted my ass 3 times and I don't want to push my luck. No, sure don't. You ready for dinner? Okay, get in the back. You know the rules. Yeah. Alright, just prepared her and dinner. There you go, love bug. Enjoy. Oh yeah, someone's hungry. If you guys happen to be looking for a great dog food, especially if you're car camping, because individual packets, this one is awesome. Like, it looks exactly like that. Like, it's just like very fresh, lots of nice chunks of vegetables, bone broth. Yeah, awesome. Very good. They also have chicken and then chicken and salmon, and I think chicken and salmon is her favorite, but we decided to mix it up today. Oh yeah, 2 things that make me very happy: when she eats and when she drinks. And when she's had a walk, that's another one. And BM is even better. Bowel movement for the layman. I'm a nurse, so BM is slang for poop. Yeah, I just have like certain things in a day that when they get done, it makes me happy and I can relax a little better. I'm sure if you're a dog mom, dog dad, regular mom, regular dad, you feel the same way about getting your little ones all taken care of. You drippy little thing. You are the drippiest thing I've ever seen. Ready to come back up? What an angel. God, you know what? If she wasn't such just an angel, I wouldn't be able to travel with her, you know, like she's 15 and she is just so freaking adaptable. She just had her birthday a couple weeks ago. Man, and I'm just so blessed every single day. I'm blessed every single day that she's healthy and happy and we get to travel all over. And oh my gosh. Oh, you being sweet, sis, now, aren't you? You being very sweet for the camera. Oh, my angel, I love you so much. She's like too intense. Too intense. Okay, sorry, kid. Oh, in case you see this jumbo-sized Trader Joe's bag, which I doubt you missed, this is my refrigerator cooler. I have an actual cooler right up here, but I just, with having to get ice and it melting and stuff, I just never mess with it, honestly, and I usually just put my recycling in there. But I really just stock up every day, and it does keep the stuff cold throughout the day. You know, I just get like salads, juices, kombucha, and it works perfect for that. Nice little spin move. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe eventually I'll like feel like I need a cooler, but for now this works perfectly because I never like really cook any meals. I mean, like the most I have in there right now is some vegan chicken tenders, like I forget what brand it is, Beyond or Impossible. And yeah, with it being cold outside, they stay nice and cold. Plus it's not real meat, so I don't really care. I don't have to worry about it. I have eaten vegan hot dogs that sat in my car for 4 days and I was fine because it's not real meat, so you don't have to worry about all the funky, you know, funkiness. Plus I'm a risk taker. What can I say, guys? Dinner for tonight, I think I mentioned earlier, I'm having a grilled cheese and soup because it's the perfect day for it. And if you haven't had these grilled cheese, they're so freaking good. They're in the frozen section at pretty much every grocery store and it's delicious. It's basically the perfect grilled cheese. And I'm gonna have that with some Amy's lentil vegetable soup. And I'm gonna cook it in my little, I don't know what you would call this, little car cooker thing. That works awesome. Amazon, like $24. Yeah, super dope. A must have. I didn't have anything for warming up food for the longest time. But yeah, it's definitely a game changer because then you can add to your repertoire, you know, a few things that need to be heated up. It takes a little longer than, you know, let's say an air fryer, but still nice. Cause like on a night like tonight, I would not want like a, I don't know, like a salad or sandwich from the grocery store, which is usually my go-to. I try not to eat out too often. So yeah, typically whenever I get my food, it's like ready-made stuff from the grocery store. Typically. Every now and then I treat myself. But like I said, this is a game changer because you can, you know, incorporate a lot more things. So for now, I'm gonna go ahead and get this grilled cheese in here. I do the grilled cheese first and then I do the soup. Oh, so here she is. And please excuse mine because it's a little dirty from last night, but you know, that's the great thing. You could just keep reusing it. You get flavors from the previous meal. Like this is like, oh, I had an Amy's lasagna last night, and this is from my chicken tenders I had earlier. Totally fine. I do wipe it down and like deep clean it every now and then, but for the most part, I just don't care. All right, now on to more pressing matters. I know it doesn't look like much now, but a little heat and she really comes to life. And there's 2 sandwiches in this pack, which is nice. And, oh, 10 grams of protein. Hello. Made with real butter and cheese. And these are super affordable. I mean, it just depends on where you get them, but usually it's like between like $4 and $5. And, you know, for 2 really good grilled cheese sandwiches, I mean, I think it's as good as Panera's grilled cheese. And then I just put the lid on and I already have it plugged in. And it also came with a like actual wall outlet cord, which is nice because whenever I'm in hotels, then I can use it in there too, you know? So in the meantime, I'm just going to rip into this little, oh no, little veggie snack platter. And I don't eat meat, so the beef stick goes to a friend.
To make me lose hope in all men.
You got a minute?
It only took one to bring it back again.
Oh, hey, Rick. Hey, how you doing, Addie? You are the only one I haven't met yet. I'm Ray Brown. This is our new executive.
Dinner is ready. My soup and my grilled cheese cooked to perfection. Num num num. Now, I think it goes without saying, I'm just gonna sop up this sandwich in this here soup. And get back to watching my movie, Someone Like You. Super cute rom-com from, I don't even know, probably the 90s, Jesus Christ. It's when I say stuff like that, I realize how old I am. No, let's say early 2000s. It is quite chilly. It's 10:30 p.m. and it is 31 degrees, but luckily the coldest it shows that it's gonna get down to tonight is 29, so we're almost there. It won't get too much worse than this, which is good. Oh, I've got my super cozy Target blanket I got today. Let's see, it was only $20. Really not bad because it's a gorgeous color. You can't really tell, but it's like this really pretty, like rusty orange. Yeah, rusty orange color. Very pretty. Let's see if they have a color name on here. Red cedar. Ooh. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited for this. Oh, it's so cozy. Ooh, really good quality. I can't believe this was only 20 bucks. Let's see. How big is it? It is 50 inches by 70 inches. So that's like 4 feet by 5, 6, 12 times 6. No, 4 by 6 practically. So that's good. It'll wrap around me quite nicely. Here, let's try it out now. Oh yeah. Oh, that is good. That is good. Toots is looking at me like I'm crazy. Probably some people outside too. Whatever. Oh, it's so good. Oh my gosh. Oh, it just got real cozy up in here. Oh my gosh. Yes, this blanket just made my night. Oh, wow, that is good. Mm-hmm. Oh man, I'm getting tired. My movie is almost over. I ate and I am dreading having to go and take Toots out to tinkle, but I'll have to. Hopefully it'll kind of slack off. It's not really snowing right now, but it's raining and it's just like slushy. So I'll wait till that slacks off and then I'll go take her out. But I'm probably about to do my nighttime skincare routine, which I'm not gonna walk you guys through it because I don't know. Do you care? Does anybody care out there? Oh my god! Let me just give you guys a couple of hot tips if you are gonna car camp as far as having a what am I, like a skincare routine, or I don't know, hygiene habits, or hang on, sorry. I'm sorry. Toots is giving me a serious dirty look right now because I know, I'm sorry, but we're about to have to go tinkle anyways. Jeez. Alright, anyways. Yeah, so some hygiene tips if you're gonna car camp. Number one, wipes. and these are the absolute best. They're the Honest wipes. They're fragrance free, compostable, cruelty free, and they're over 99% purified water with 6 gentle ingredients. Basically, they're just like super minimal yet effective. And that's another thing, yes. Okay, so durable. These things, oh my gosh, I wish I remembered the brand. I think it was those dude wipes, and no, it wasn't those. I don't know, it was some brand. Oh my gosh, you literally like go to wipe and this starts shredding on your face. But these are the most durable, ultra soft, and yes, keeps wipes wet. And that is true, because the last time I bought a batch of these was 3 months ago, before my North Carolina assignment. I had them in my glove box, and I started using them again a few days ago whenever it, you know, started car camping again, and they were still wet. That sounds weird. I don't know. But but it's true. And I was like, how is this possible? Like, it's been 3 months. Why aren't they all like dried out? No, these are, you won't find better wipes than this. And this at Walmart was like $4.20 for 60 wipes, and 1 wipe goes a long way. This is not sponsored, guys. They're just the best, and I have tried so many, and a good wipe is absolutely necessary when you're car camping. I use them for everything. I use them to clean my dishes. I use them to wipe down the car. I use them to, yeah, clean Toots off if she gets dirty. I mean, wipe down my phone, my iPad. They're just the best. So right now I am going to just, yes, wipe my face off. I guess I could do that now while I talk to you. I can't see you, but go ahead and wipe off. Oh my God. It always just feels so good. And they're fragrance free. I don't know if I said that, because I don't like scented wipes. I just want it as natural and as simple as possible. Also use them to clean your glasses. The other essential I highly recommend for as far as like hygiene, toiletries, is an organizer bag like this one. I got this off Amazon for like, I don't even know how much I paid for this. I'm sure it wasn't more than like 25 bucks, but it is amazing. It has compartments for everything. I've even hung it in here so I can access everything better. But yeah, it's just essential. I don't know how else I would like manage to get to everything so easily if I didn't have this. So yeah, those are the 2 products I highly recommend as far as hygiene goes. And then I always use them on my hands before I apply like my actual skincare products, so you're not using your dirty little mitts all over your nice, cleanly wiped, honest, fresh face. And I will use these things up. You see, I just used it on my face. I'm using it on my hands, and then I'll wipe down like the steering wheel. Like one thing of those wipes will last me like a while. I'm just gonna do the rest of my skincare, and then I think I'm gonna take Toots out to tinkle, and then we're probably gonna wrap it up because I'm tired. And now with this blanket on me, I'm like cozy. All right, guys. Looks like the storm is getting pretty violent. We're definitely about to hunker down for the night. Oh yeah, good girl. Good girl. All right, sweet. Let's head back. Ooh. It's my little peephole right there. It's very tiny, but very effective. All right, we have our window covers up. As you can see, we are all tucked in. I have my new, oh, this blanket is gonna be, honestly, I might get a little hot tonight. That's how warm and cozy this blanket is. Little girl is all tucked in, ready for a good night's sleep. And yeah, we're about to crash out. Well, tonight, actually, any minute now, I think it was showing was whenever it was supposed to start up again, pretty much until 11 a.m. tomorrow. So it'll be interesting to see what we wake up to. But right now, like on our walk right now, we got lucky. It was not bad. It had even stopped raining. So yeah, we made it back inside the vehicle nice and dry, pretty much. Let me just get my little safety contraption ready. Whoa. I just keep it already undone because in an emergency, especially if it's in the dark, I am not going to be able to like find that little clip. I put it right here, already all ready to go. Just in case I ever need it. I'm sure I won't, but just in case, you know, gotta be safe. Just me and my angel baby I gotta protect. This is where I am going to leave you guys. I might check in again in the morning. I probably will, just to give you guys an update and show you. Yeah, so for now, I guess we'll just say goodnight. It's not goodbye, it's just goodnight, right? Good night. Good morning, little girl. Good morning. Let's see what we got. This was a great spot because it was blocked in by all these traffic cones. Yeah, so it really hid me very well. Plus there's a tree, plus I think there's another tree in front of me. Oh yeah, perfect little hiding spot, little corner nook. Anywho, yeah, this spot worked out just fine. It was cold, but honestly that blanket like pretty much did the trick. Like there was a few times I had to like readjust, and I covered my entire body, including my head. And as long as I covered my head, I stayed nice and warm. But whenever I would move around, you know, you get a little chill. But Toots, she was always bundled up. She always stays warm. Actually, sometimes she gets too warm because that bed is like quite deep, and so she sinks into it and it holds a lot of heat, which is nice. But yeah, it doesn't look like it really snowed anymore at all, so that's cool. We were willing to go either way with it. It wasn't really gonna bother me if there was a lot of snow or not, because yeah, we were already in snow mode. But this is probably where I'm gonna leave you guys. Now is the not so fun part of day where I have to go like run my errands, get my food for the day. I go drop off my recycling. A hot tip, if you want to recycle, Target always has recycling bins for glass, plastic, and aluminum. And they're usually either by the service desk or up front by the registers, but they have bins at every store I've been to, so that's nice. And then also a lot of Walmarts do as well. I didn't see any at this Walmart here in Colorado, but I know like Maine Walmarts do, Texas Walmarts. Yeah, I guess it just depends. But yeah, so now I'm it's almost 1 p.m. Like I was just kind of laying here not wanting to move because it was cold and I didn't really have any, you know, reason to jump up and start the day. But yeah, so it's 1 o'clock now, and now I do have a reason. I'm very hungry, and my little girl, well, she could honestly probably keep sleeping for a few more hours, but yeah, we're gonna go do our errands and then go get a nice walk in, and I don't know what else we're gonna get up to today. Anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling because now I have to pee and I'm hungry, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.